After a long wait, the MD-530G helicopters of the Malaysian Army are undergoing pre-delivery inspection. 6 MD-530G light attack helicopters from MD Helicopter will be delivered to the Malaysian Army soon after meeting on technical aspects and specifications. Malaysia ordered the MD-530Gs in early 2016 under a contract estimated to be worth $76.4 million. The US government announced its commitment to provide 6 MD-530Gs light attack helicopters, associated equipment, and training to support the Malaysian Armed Forces rotary wing close air support missions in December 2017. Based on the procurement contract, all the helicopters are expected to be delivered to Malaysia at the end of this year. The MD-530G is designed based on the MD-530F airframe and is engineered with advanced technology to deliver enhanced combat capabilities. It is designed to provide enhanced agility and firepower for the armed forces. The Armed Aerial Scout helicopter can be deployed with any rotary wing unit to provide a comprehensive battlefield command and control coordination for the successful execution of attack, reconnaissance, and security missions. The helicopter is 7.76 meters long and 3 meters wide and has an overall height of 2.88 meters. It has 5 main rotor blades and 2 tail rotor blades. The main rotor diameter is 8.38 meters, while the tail rotor diameter is 1.55 meters. The helicopter has an empty weight of 885 kilograms, maximum internal gross weight of 1.52 tons, and maximum takeoff weight of 1.7 tons. It can carry an increased useful load of 816 kilograms to operate with additional range and endurance. A heavy machine gun pod developed by F.N. Holster is mounted in a 14-inch NATO standard bomb rack on the helicopter. It features a 12.7mm F&M3P machine gun with a rate of fire of around 1,100 rounds per minute. The helicopter is also equipped with a rocket machine gun pod, which is effective against both guided and unguided rockets. The rocket machine gun pod combines a 12.7mm F&M3P machine gun and NATO standard 70mm 3-tube rocket launcher into a single weapons mount. The machine gun can store up to 250 cartridges. The MD-530G Armed Aerial Scout helicopter is equipped with combat-proven L3 Westcam MX-10 and MX-10D electro-optical and infrared tactical surveillance systems in a single-line replaceable unit configuration. The payload incorporates multiple infrared emission sensors, precision optics, laser designator, and an advanced communication suite. The infrared, color HD, and electron multiply tracks coupled device emission sensors are used to capture simultaneous full-motion digital video and high-resolution imagery. The MD-530G Scout attack helicopter is powered by Rolls-Royce 250 C30 engine, which generates a power output of 485 kW. The helicopter can fly at a maximum cruise speed of 240 km per hour at sea level under international standard atmospheric conditions. It has a maximum permitted speed of 282 km per hour at sea level and can fly to a range of 426 km. The MD-530G can operate for 2.5 hours with an auxiliary fuel tank. Being equipped with a 5-blade main rotor system provides the MD-530G with excellent maneuverability even in conditions of high winds and heavy air turbulence. This is a very important requirement for a small spy plane because it is very light in weight and very easily blown away by the wind. Also thanks to its light weight and extremely compact size, the MD-530G, although not capable of stealth, is easy to bypass the enemy's radar system by flying very low or just appearing on the radar screen as a tiny dot. A small group of 3 to 5 armed MD-530G light helicopters would be a nightmare from the air with the ability to surprise the enemy by moving at extremely low altitudes. My video about the MD-530G helicopter answer. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.